Hey everyone, it is Tropics WX here with the South Southwest Indian Ocean 26 or 25 to 26 video here, and we have a tropical storm here. I think it's Owl. Yeah, Owl. It has first of all, it doesn't pose any light to threat, so we get a very short video. Get into this. Uh, Tropical Cyclone O2S, or OWL for short. Warning number 2. Uh, Position 7.1 south, 60.8 east. Moving moving at northwest at 11.5 miles per hour. It has a maximum sustained wind 40.2. And yeah, we'll hop over to Zoom Earth because this thing is gonna be just a short video because it doesn't punch anything like the fry. It'll just gonna immediately die off anyway. Okay, so here we are on Zoom Earth. As you can see, it has a millbar of 1002. Will become a redness probably by either maybe today, maybe tomorrow. I don't know. It could be today. It could be tomorrow. We'll look at it. We'll play it by tomorrow. Yeah. That being said, this is Tropics WX signing out. WX signing out. Stay safe, everyone, and we'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.